Is this OtterBox Defender series case going to be worth it for your iPhone 16 Pro? Let's find out. So first off, the main thing that's a little bit different about this case is that you kind of have that grainy texture throughout pretty much the whole case. So the back, the sides, the ends here, the edges, it really does give it a lot more grip, which I love because it's not going to be sliding out of your hand if you're on your phone or you're texting, anything in that nature. If you look on the back here too, you have kind of a hidden MagSafe ring, so it's going to be compatible with any MagSafe accessories that you may have. As far as protection, going to be great because the case is dual layered, so you have a lot more shock absorption if you do drop your phone. And then what I really like is that you get that camera lens protection too. So if you look right here, you have that piece that pops up over those camera lenses. So if you drop your phone camera lens side down, you don't have to worry about the camera lenses getting damaged because it is going to hit that popped up piece right here first, which is also called bezeling. You have access to your camera action button here still on those iPhone 16 models. All of them have that. If you turn it over on the bottom here, you can see that you have that charging hole cap. You can easily just flip that up when you are ready to charge your phone. And then once you're done charging your phone, just plug it back up. That's going to prevent any water or any debris from getting in your charging hole. So say you accidentally dropped your phone and it hit some water or anything like that, no water or debris is going to get in it because it's plugged up. Overall though, if you are looking for a protective case that's going to be great for daily use, then this is definitely going to be a recommendation of mine. And even though it's a little bit more heavy duty, it's still slim enough to easily fit in your pockets, any tight spaces. So this is going to be a great daily case.